This story is presented to you by The Unbroken Path, a channel that brings you real-life inspired lessons, healing, and hope. After losing everything, Emeka returned abroad and decided to rebuild his life from the ground up. He worked tirelessly again, but this time with a heart that had learned painful lessons. One Sunday, Emeka prayed, "God, heal me, restore me, and guide my steps." And unexpectedly, he met Linda, a calm, humble, God-fearing woman. They spent time together, talking, healing, and discovering that true love still existed. A year later, Emeka married Linda, a woman who honored him with genuine love. God blessed their home with peace, joy, and soon, a beautiful baby girl. But back in Nigeria, Amara and Chidozi's life slowly turned into a battlefield. Amara discovered she couldn't conceive, no matter how often they tried. Chidozi lost his job after a terrible misunderstanding with his boss. Arguments became their daily routine. They blamed each other for everything. Desperate, they went from one spiritual house to another, looking for help. The prophet looked at them and said, "What you're suffering is not ordinary. You wronged an innocent man." He warned them, "Until you return and apologize to Emeka, Calamity will not stop." Fear filled their hearts. They knew the truth, and they knew what they had done. Meanwhile, Emeka returned to Nigeria for a family visit with his wife and child. The news spread quickly, and it reached the ears of Amara and Chidozi. They gathered courage and went to his home, trembling, embarrassed, and broken. When Emeka opened the gate and saw them, the old wounds in his heart reopened. Anger consumed him. He stormed inside and returned with a gun in his hand. Amara and Chidosi knelt down, crying and begging for their lives. Linda rushed out, holding his arm, tears in her eyes. "Please don't stain your hand. You've already won." Her words cooled the fire in Emeka's heart. Slowly, he dropped the gun. Finally, he looked at them and said, "I forgive you, not for you, but for my peace." If you were in Emeka's shoes, what would you do? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you like this story, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the Unbroken Path.